Hey team, how's it going?
This is Jimmy. Jimmy is trying to make a video for his team,
Who are you?
but he's not doing a good job at it. His video looks like crap. Join me as we teach Jimmy how to make a good-looking video. Chapter 1: Setting up your environment. When recording a video, try to make sure you're in a good environment to film. See Jimmy? He's put himself in front of a window, which makes it very hard to see him. Oh, Jimmy. What he should do is make sure any intense lighting source is in front of him, so it illuminates his face. Try moving the camera, Jimmy. Doesn't that look better?
Looks good. Yeah.
If you're still having problems with good lighting, you can set up some desk lamps to brighten the foreground. Chapter 2: Setting up your camera. What are you filming on, Jimmy? A potato from the 1950s? Let's work on making your image look better.
I thought it looked fine.
And that's why I'm here to help. You should use a good camera. Your laptop might work fine, but we recommend using your phone, since it probably has the best camera available to you. Place your camera on a tripod if you have one. If not, find an elevated surface to set your camera.
Okay, I'm ready to start. Hello team, how's it
Whoa
going?
there, Jimmy. What are you doing? You think that looks good?
Yeah.
Oh, Jimmy, I'm going to tell you something important, and I'm going to need you to listen very carefully. Make sure to put your camera in landscape mode. If you're using a phone, rotate it so that the image looks wider than it is tall. Trust me, this will probably be the most important thing you've done in your entire life.
Okay, I think I'm good to go. Okay, let's start.
Chapter 3: Better Sounding Audio. What did you say? Sorry, I couldn't hear you over all the noise. What you just heard is what you think you sound like. Here is what you actually sound like.
That sounds pretty bad.
Audio is one of the most important aspects of making a video. Bad audio offends more than bad video. Jimmy here thinks that recording in the most reflective room is the best option. Like an idiot. To get good audio for your video, follow these steps. First, choose a room near you that has good acoustics. Ensure that there isn't bad echo and that you can hear yourself clearly. Second, if you have an external microphone, such as a studio microphone or AirPods, use that as an audio source. Uh-oh, looks like Jimmy doesn't have access to an external microphone. If you don't have access to an external microphone, be sure to set yourself up close to the camera. That will help your camera get better audio. Doesn't that sound good?
Hi. Yeah, it does.
Success! You have set up your camera, lighting, and audio, and will now have great video to share with your team.
Okay, this is great. This looks great. This is good. Thank you, Mr. Narrator guy. Okay.
Don't sweat it, Jimmy. If you keep this up, you might finally get some friends.
That's so low.
Thank you for watching, and good luck with your recording endeavors.